Hello guys, welcome to SG Trading. My name is Simon Godfrey. Let's look at how to use MT5 for mobile. So in the course of this training, I'll be using an iPhone. So if you're an iPhone user or an Android user, for Android users, you go to Play Store to download. When you go to Play Store, you type MT5. So since I'm using iPhone, I will go to App Store. When you go to your App Store, you click on the search here, the search icon, click on it. Then you come here and you type MT5. Okay. So you wait for it, then you click on search, wait for it to load. Okay. Then so we have MT5 and MT4. I'm using MT5, so you might decide to download MT4. Okay. Now, if I had to download, it's going to be showing download, okay, or get. But since I have it already, so let me click on open. Let me click on open. Okay, so when you open, if you open it in the first time, it's going to automatically create a demo account for you. So when you install and open it the first time, it's going to create a demo account for you. And once you have a demo account, this is what you are going to see. You're seeing currency pairs. These are the currency pairs we have. Let's see, this is GBP USD, SAU USD, which is good, Euro USD. Okay, so these are currency pairs. If you want to add more currency pairs, you click on this icon here. So when you click on it, or you might even not even click, you might start to even search the pair you want to add. Let's say I want to add the JPP AUD, which is this one, pounds sterling and Australian dollar. You click on this plus icon here, you click on it. So any currency pair you want to add, you just come over to the search here, you type the currency pair, you add it the same way I add this GBP AUD. Now, when you open your MT5 or MT4, the first page that we are going to see there is your quote. Okay, you can see it up there. This is quote. And then what is MT5 for MT4? MT5 for MT4 is a trading platform by MetaQuote. MetaQuote is a company that developed MT5. Okay, also, MT5 allows traders to trade Forex stocks and futures. Okay. Now, when you open your MT5 or the MT4, the first page you are going to see is your quote. So this page now views the currency pairs. If you look at the down here, you can see the quote here. Beside it, we have the chart. So let's click on the chart. You can see. So this chart here, it views the price chart of the currency pairs. This is gold. So you can see it's viewing the price chart for the gold. Okay, it's viewing the price chart for gold. Now beside the chart, we have the trade, which is this one. So when you click on the trade, here is showing your balance equity and frame margin. Okay, so looking at it here, the first one, which is balance, is uh your total money that you have in your trading accounts. And when you place your trade, equity is what? The balance minus the plus or minus the losses or the plus. So let's for the course of this example, let me place a trade so I can see what I'm trying to explain. So let me place a trade now. Okay, so let me use market instant execution. Let's say I want to buy for the sake of this tutorial. You know, this is a demo account, so I'll just click on buy. Let's say I want to buy this pair. Okay, order has been sent. You can see if you're observing this thing, you're having minus already, which is losses. Now, if you observe the equity is what? The profit or if you are losing, you are minusing from equity. If you are gaining, your equity is adding up. Okay, so you can see that equity is what you are gaining or what you are losing. Okay, if you are gaining, is adding up. So that's to say balance minus or plus profit. If you are losing, it means what? Balance minus whatever you are losing to give you equity. If you are making profit, it means what? Balance plus whatever you are making to give you equity. So when you close your position, Okay, it means what? Your new equity becomes your balance. So let's close and see. Well, if you want to close this, either you slide it to the other side, to the left hand side like this. When you slide it, you click on this icon here. You can see. Then you see close. You close. Okay. Then you close. You can see this is your new balance. Okay. This is your new balance. Now, if you look beside it also, we have the history. Okay, if you have the history, so let's click on the history. So you can see this history, view the history of trade, all the trade you have entered so far with this account. This is where you're going to be seeing it. You can see if you look below it, you see something like deposit profit swap commission balance. You can see the total profit you have made so far with this account is this, which is $2,170. This is the total profit you have made so far with this $100,000 account. Okay, so this all about that is all about history. Now, if you look the other way around, the one beside this, we have the settings. Okay, these the settings. Now, in this case, now if you look at it, we have this here. So let's click on that. This sound that is like if you place a trade there, there's a sound that normally plays. So if you want to turn the sound off, you just click on here. You don't want it to auto lock after you close the app, you turn it off. So that's all we have here. Then if you want to uh enable news and other things, you can see they're all here. Now let's go back. Let's go and check the chart settings. This is the chart settings. So you click on it. If you want to customize your chart, okay. Like mine, I'm using bearish candles. I'm using uh red as bearish candles, and I'm using green as bullish candles. But decide some persons might decide to change their own to black and white. If you want to do that, you come over to colors here. Okay, you can see scheme, color on white. That's what I'm using. I decided to say, okay, black on white. When any settings you do here, you go back, you click here by going back to the chart page, which is this one, to see what you did. You can see the thing has already changed to what? Uh, that's to say your bullish candle in this case is white, then your bearish candles are blacks. You can see. So if I want to switch back to my normal desired settings, we come over to the settings here again. We come to charts, which is this. Click on it. Then you scroll down. You select colors. Then you come over to scheme. Then you click on a color on white. Okay. Click on color on white. In this case here, if you want your bearish candles, you can see my bullish candles, which is bull candle. They are green color. So if you want to change it to another color, you can do it from here. You can set any color of your choice. If you want to change the beer candle, you can come here and change it to the color of your choice. So this is all about color settings on chart. So let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back and let me explain the last part, which is buy limit section and the rest. So let's click on this. Let's I want to place a trade. Let's click on trade now. When you click on trade and you want to enter the market or place a trade, you have to click on this plus icon. You click on it. You can see you have instant execution. Okay. You can see the first option there is instant execution. It means to what? If you want to place your trade this moment, okay. So that means if you want to either buy or sell instantly, you are going to make use of instant execution. Let's say after analyzing the trade and the trade is playing according to your analysis and you want to place the trade immediately, you make use of instant execution. So all you have to do is to set your stop loss. You set your take profits. Okay, this stop loss is what stop loss means that if you want to use a stop, if you want the market to close you at your losses, okay, if you want to use a stop loss to close the trade, if it moves against you, then you enter the pips here. Then for the take profit, which is this one, that is to say, if you want to use the limit to lock in profit, okay, so you enter. If you want to secure profit, you enter the number here, the pips. Okay, so we'll come to that later on when we are doing technical analysis. Then if you click here again, we have other options. Okay, after instant execution, we still have more options in the box there. So let's click on it. You can see we have buy limit, sell limit, and the rest. So this buy limit here, which is the first one, when you click on it, we have this. When you click on it, this is what you're going to have. This is under buy limits now. So buy limit is a trade request to buy at a price that is equal or less than that specified order. Let's say you are predicting that this market is going to reach, let's say, at your resistance. Once market broke out from resistance, you are going to enter for a buy. So all you have to do is to place your buy limit at that resistance or the number you are targeting. Okay. Then sell limit is the same thing, opposite. On a downtrend, let's say at your support, you are expecting the support to be broken out, or you are going to sell below the support. All you have to do is to place your sell limit below where you are targeting. Okay. So we are going to come to that when you wish technical analysis. Now in this case, we have the buy stop. Okay, so buy stops also play like say buy limits, but in this case, it trade its ask price equal or greater than the one specified in the order. Okay, so that should say if you are predicting that market is going to reach this let's say the current value is 240.5. We are predicting that the market is going to reach 23.5 before shooting up. That's your buy stop. So you place your buy stop below the price while you place your buy limit above the price. Okay, so that's how it works here. I think that's all we got here. So let me go back. Like I said, when you open your MT5 the first time, the app will automatically generate uh a demo account for you. Okay, and in that demo account, when you open the app, the first thing you're going to see after generating your demo account is your quote. Okay, and your quote is having your currency pairs. These are your currency pairs: GBP USD. This is the base currency, and this is the quote currency: SAUSD, Euro USD, GBP AUD. So that's how that is all about MT5 or MT4. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop it on my WhatsApp. Thank you. See you guys next the next video.